What's up everybody? How you guys doing? And welcome to Marketing with Dom. I am super excited to talk to you about what is in my OnlyFans course today. So we're gonna talk about the 4 things that I teach in my OnlyFans coaching. So what I need you to do a favor, if this is the first time you're watching my video, if you've never seen me before, I'm about to give you some of the best content that I possibly can. So I need you to subscribe down below, hit that little ring bell, because every time I drop a video, you're going to need to see it. So for those who are returning, who are hopping in here, have been waiting for me to drop the course, this is for you. So the first thing I teach is the setup. So if you're a new beginner and you have no idea what you're doing and you haven't even started in OnlyFans, here's one thing that you should definitely do is join my team and go to the affiliate link down below and click on my OnlyFans team. If you do that, then you can find me on Instagram. Send me a DM and I'll get you into all my trainings 100% free, right? And for the ones who are already in it, they're trying to get started, you're trying to take it from making no money right now to about $4,000 to $5,000, or if you're someone who's making $4,000 or $5,000 and you're trying to take it to $10,000, there's tricks in there for everyone. So let's go in. First thing is the setup of OnlyFans. So if you're a beginner, we're going to break down everything you need to know about your niche and how to set up your OnlyFans, your alias, your name, and really get out there and put a name to your platform. If you also don't want to do any social media at all, you're like, I don't want to put anything out on social media, we also have a course in there talking about how to do shout out for shout outs within OnlyFans and make money and invest in the actual industry itself without putting yourself all over social media. So I believe that's became really important because people do not want to put themselves all over social media. So for the girl who wants to build a big brand, get crazy, grow, we have you. And for the person who wants to just get into the industry, make a little bit of money, we have a section for you, okay? The second thing I teach is Instagram marketing, which is how do you grow your Instagram in this industry. I break down all the false narratives that are talking about shadow banning, all this other kind of stuff, which is completely not true. Even the CEO of Instagram put it out in the Huffington Post talking directly about those comments, saying it's not a real thing. Just people are using bad hashtags, don't understand how to use it, so they get damaged as having terrible content, not as being shadow banned. Okay, so, and the third thing we talk about is Twitter, right? We run Twitter contests. How do you create and build a fan base of Twitter fans on Twitter? How do you use competitions by growing and using your content that you're using on your OnlyFans to create loyal and super fans that will share your content every time you post across the Twitter page? And then the third and last thing is the shout out for shout outs on OnlyFans. We're putting down a comprehensive list of every single person that we use on the guy side as well as the girl side when it comes down to buying shout outs so you can get your money back directly from shout out for shout outs if you're not a person that's trying to build a big brand across the social media platforms. So just for that, we're only doing that for $25 a month. Listen, I'm going to tell you exactly what you get for $25 a month. You get the full PDF explaining how to get started off complete. And if you're still trying to figure stuff out, I guarantee this PDF will answer a lot of questions for you, even if you're making $2,000 to $3,000 a month. The second thing you receive is the Instagram marketing, exactly how I use hashtags, how I use traffic to be growing the Instagram pages that I have right now for over 2,000 to 3,000 followers a week, which is insane. The third thing we're going to do is the Twitter campaign, how to run contests on Twitter and actually receive results and people sharing and turning them into super fans. And then 4, the shout out for shout out, how you can find these pages that we've already done all the research for and put together so that you can click, add them, and buy shout outs directly from them to actually increase the amount of followers you have on your OnlyFans. And that's how you really start to make money instantaneously. So you don't have to convince people from social media coming out of nowhere. They're already on the platform. It's like doing a shout out for shout out on Instagram, but instead you're doing it on OnlyFans. The only thing about OnlyFans is you can't find people. There's no search engine. So the really important part is you have to be in a network of people who already have these shout out pages ready for you and is willing to give it to you. And that's what we give in our course for the guys and the girl side to be able to have platforms to pay for shout outs and start making money ASAP Batano. So I appreciate everyone who took the time to actually watch this video. Please make sure you comment down below saying, I'm ready for this course. Tell me right now. I need to know before. If you're a beginner and you're just getting started, you don't even have an OnlyFans, click on our link down below. Click that little button, join our team. Let me know on Instagram at GOMLMGM Okay? And then for everyone else, please make sure you ring that bell down below, subscribe to my page, because I'm bringing the hottest content when it comes down to OnlyFans and everything marketing. I can't wait to start showing you the upgraded blogs I'm going to be dropping when it comes down to me and my team, and it's going to be on this page as well. But we're just now getting started to help everybody get to their first little bag on the internet, especially with this hot OnlyFans stuff going on. I'll see you later. Please make sure you hit your boy. See you later.